You want some muscle? Well, here it is. This is a genuine 1969 Mach 1 factory black, factory red interior, four-speed car. It has an actual 427 block under the hood that's been bored and stroked to a 485. It's making about 515 horsepower. We have all the specs. We have the dyno sheet. This thing is a runner. It runs strong. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. You can scan this QR code and it'll take you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This was in the same owner, and then it went to his niece, I think it was, for like 35, 40 years. We have some documentation on all this stuff. I have all the specs on the motor. His name was Bill Phelan. I looked him up and someone referred to him as the guru of 427s. That's what they did. They were known for building Ford engines, especially the 427 was their specialty. So you're getting the right car from the right guy if you want a Mach 1 that goes fast. Okay, so here we go. Obviously, incredible body style. The lines on a 69 Mustang, unbeatable, and it is all absolutely straight. The niece that owned the car, she worked for Summit Racing. This car was on display in their showroom. All this is absolutely straight, fits beautifully, all clean lines, all real nice, straight. Look at that, behind the tires like a mirror. Beautiful mirror finish, the sail panel, the roof is all outstanding. You have this cool scoop right here. All this is mint, clean metal, lines up beautifully. Jambs are glossy. Shuts real nice. No door dents, no rust, no issues. Here's a little touch up in, oh, no, good, there's just grease. All this clean, straight, smooth, even down here underneath. Fenders straight. You know, when a car's black, it's got to be nice, and this one is. This has the blackout hood treatment. That's that satin black finish. That's so you don't get reflection in your eyes when the race cars were driving. That's how that all started. So the body and paint, again, is looking fantastic. This fender, too. Oh, beautiful, gorgeous. And it's been painted for a while. I don't think it's been painted any time recently, and it still looks stunning. Has the sport mirrors. The windshield looks crystal clear, so I'm sure that's been replaced. The moldings look to be a 7 or 8 out of 10. They look very nice. Door handles have been replaced. Emblem looks good. Decked out with the rear window louvers, front and rear spoilers. Of course, the red striping, just a killer combination. Back bumper, the gas cap, all that was replaced. This is also done in the satin black. You've also got the red stripe back here. And then you can't beat Magnum 500s. They're 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels, nice and wide, wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Can't beat that combination. Got the racing mirrors. And then up front, the bumper, the grill, all that's really sharp looking too. All right, let's open it up. Check out that red interior and wait till we get to that motor. All right, let's open up the trunk, see how it looks. Well, underside of the trunk lid's painted glossy, weather strip was replaced, trunk jamb is clean. Inside is more of a satin black, solid metal. And the mat's been replaced, comes with a car cover and a box of stuff, we'll call it, little extras. And I apologize, I think I said his name was Bill Phelan. It's Bill Parham from Southern Automotive. And I did look him up, and yeah, he was a Ford guy building Ford engines, high performance engines. This was his personal toy. Door jambs are clean, weather strips replaced. This is a deluxe interior, factory born red. Deluxe molded door panels in excellent shape, has the wood grain trim, all that looks great. Dash pad has been replaced, all instrument bezels replaced. Nice clean factory gauges and lenses. He put the Sun Super Tack in there. It's been in there a long time, pretty nostalgic. Again, all this is nice. Has a retro Mustang stereo right in the hole, factory hole. Well, it doesn't have a clock. I guess those were optional. I guess I just always seen a clock there. Interior light works. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets are real nice and fresh looking. Center console's in excellent shape. The fun part is the 4-speed sticking out of it. Here's an auxiliary plug for the stereo. You got nice matching dark red seat belts. The seats have been reupholstered. They're the high back bucket seats. Same thing back here, nice carpet, nice upholstery. The side panels look real good. The rear cardboard shelf is a little warped, and some wrinkles in the side panels too. The glue comes undone. Lights work. Headliner though is tight as a drum. Visors have been replaced. The mirror looks real good. It's got this really sharp looking Shelby style wood rimmed steering wheel. It looks really nice. So yeah, very nice interior. And again, these colors are killer. So this motor, it is an actual 427 block to start with. And it's got a steel crank in it. Well, it was bored and stroked to a 484 cubic inch. We have dyno sheets making 514 horsepower, 554 pounds of torque. Has a scat steel crank and H-beam rods, Keith Black Hypertech pistons, a demo solid lift cam, double roller timing chain, and that's a polished aluminum intake on top with dual 600 Holley carburetors. Dressed up real nice with the 427 valve covers and air cleaner. Engine bay is all nice clean metal. Just look how nice and smooth and clean it is. Has a chrome Monte Carlo bar, chrome alternator and breather cap. Optima battery. Got some new horns. A little bit extra chrome. The radiator, the fan, the shroud looks real nice. Polished Edelbrock aluminum water pump. Fuel pump is chrome, looks like a fuel filter. It has a MSD 6AL ignition with billet distributor. All the nuts, the bolts, the metal is all clean. Under the hood's real nice looking. But this thing is a beast. It's got ceramic coated headers too. Michael gets the fun job of taking you for a ride. We'll see you shortly.
Everybody, got a real ground pounder here today, about to have some fun. 514 dyno tuned horsepower, 427 cubic inches, dual 4-barrel carbs. This thing is built. I did have a chance to go around the block. It's a heck of a lot of fun. Great running vehicle. Awesome sounding exhaust. Get a little taste of this. This thing is just sweet all the way around. Love the factory colors on it, and yeah, love everything about it. 4-speed manual there. It does have front disc brakes as well. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're doing slightly over 60 miles an hour. Yeah. As advertised, that is for sure. This thing boogies, man. Really loving it. See how it goes down the road. Really nice straight alignment on it. I tell you, this thing is really dialed in, clear across the board. and somebody's going to get a great vehicle and have a great time, without a doubt. So go ahead, get on the phone, contact our sales team. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to arrange a test drive for you. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath, the car is very clean, solid, dry floors, frame rails, all that looks nice and clean. Steering and suspension was all rebuilt at the time of restoration. It's been maintained since. Has disc brakes up front, drum in the back. Fuel system was replaced. The entire dual exhaust system, ceramic coated. It's a nice bright silver with Flowmaster mufflers, and it has the correct quad tips going out through the lower valance. It does have frame connectors welded in front to back that helps keep the car from twisting, along with some tubular traction bars back there, control arms. Keeps everything nice and straight. And you're going to have both hands on the wheel when you do nail this thing. You better know what you're doing, or you're going to be in the ditch. This thing is fast. Looking up at the motor, it has an extra capacity chrome oil pan. The transmission looks really fresh. The shift linkage, it's a top loader, 4-speed, all that looks real fresh. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to the Ford 9-inch rear end that was recently rebuilt. 31 spline axles, new bearings, new gears. It's a 355 traction lock setup in there. So factory black, red, fast as can be, Mach 1. That's what you're looking for? We got it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Mach 1 delivered home. And if you need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.